Well, hey there, it's Friday, August 27th on the Soul Sister channel. I am Kat and I have your astrological forecast for today, Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday. But like we always do on the Soul Sister channel, we are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that fills our entire bodies, and then our entire body. And then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity. It's deflecting it back to its source. While we're in the space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun and Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation and we're going to stay in the space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good. Well, how's everyone doing on this Friday? Man, we had some pretty ugly energy to deal with Tuesday, Wednesday, and I thought we were out of it on Thursday, but Spirit had other ideas, and I guess there was some of it lingering yesterday. Did we make it through? Are we intact? Do we have our power? Are we okay with our true, authentic selves? Have we compromised any of that? I hope not. I hope we were very nice. We listened, and then we turned and went back to our desk and did our work, and we didn't even contribute anything to the emotional fireballs being thrown. We just listened and we let them go. Or we might have had to stick up for ourselves if they really came at us and really tried to take our power. So I hope we made it. I hope we're okay on this Friday, because things are really going to slow down. The moon is now in Taurus. So now no more new ideas. Don't try to create a new wheel. Today and tomorrow, it's all about stability, groundedness, long-term planning. It's all about a good home-cooked meal. It's about a walk in the woods. It's taking a hike or going camping. It's working on our finances. Work on our finances today and tomorrow, long-term finances. It's not a time to take any risk with our finances. We want to make sure that our homes are aesthetically pleasing to us, meaning clean up the crap if we have it laying around, get things organized, put everything back in its place. When our house, our home, our space is unorganized, it's a reflection of us. We're really unorganized internally, because the outer is just a reflection of the inner. So if our space is a mess and a clutter and we've got crap everywhere, that's just a reflection that we're messed up on the inside and out of balance on the inside as well. And the first great way to get back into balance is to clean up your crap. Get everything back in order. And you'll feel good right away, right when it gets finished. And then you can start working on that energy and get more done that needs to get done. Because we have that to-do list all week, all month, up until September the 22nd. We have our work to get done, and I hope we're getting it done no matter what area of our life it's in, because we're working on the health of ourselves, making sure we're taking care of ourselves, making sure we're taking care of our physical health, our emotional health, our spiritual health, our mental health, our relationships, making sure that we're keeping balance in our workplace and with our coworkers and with our boss. Any situation that we're in, we're bringing health, making them healthy and balanced. And we're actually doing what we need to do to make that happen. Last month with the sun in Leo, we thought about it. Oh yeah, that would be a great idea. Oh yeah, that would work out real good. Well, now we got to actually do it. And that's the energy is there to get it done and get it done well. Remember, job, no matter if the job is large or small, do it well or not at all. So remember that today and tomorrow as we're getting our work done and we're making our space aesthetically pleasing. We're getting our finances in order. We're talking to our partner about any kind of imbalances that we need to bring. We need to harmonize. Maybe it's a financial issue. Maybe we need to really look at the budget and see how we both can fulfill our personal needs as well as the needs of the relationship as a whole. So it's a slow down Friday and Saturday. It's a great time to just hang with friends and have a barbecue, go to the pool. It's just a lay back and enjoy nature. Do that too. Make sure we get out and take a walk and plant our feet into the ground and feel the bottoms of our feet just grow roots and get us grounded in the earth. It's a great energy for that today. So, and then I forgot tomorrow. Tomorrow we have some Saturday there are some inconjuncts. So as we are working on balancing our relationships and bringing health and things like that, we might have to tweak our ideas a little bit so that the solution supports both of us or all of us, not just one of us, as long as we don't compromise ourselves. But the energy on Saturday is, we might have to make a few tweaks, a couple adjustments for our strategy to work and be successful. All right, what you got today? I'm a little afraid of these guys from yesterday because they blew my mind yesterday. They were like, whoa, but whole different direction. Discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth. And the truth is our true, authentic self. That is our truth. And we cover it up because we feel unworthy, or we're fearful, or we're afraid people won't like us, or we won't fit in. But when we come from our truth, our light shines brightly. When we come from our true, authentic self. And we have been challenged this week to really stick to our true, authentic self and not compromise it. Ascending the mountain, keep going forward. So the work we're doing today and tomorrow on our finances, on our relationship, on getting stuff cleaned up and organized, keep going, keep doing it. We are, like I said, the more we do, the more it starts harmonizing and balancing within. If we clean up our junk, we might we might see, like in the house, we need to do some spackling, or something needs to be repainted, or I don't know why I'm thinking of this. It was a challenge for me. That's why we need to replace the toilet seat. I'm going to tell you what, that is no easy task. You need to have a special tool just to repair the toilet seat. I just had to say that, sorry. But keep going forward. Get our work done. One task, I was going to say one foot in front of the other. It's on the to-do list. Check one off and then go to the next one and check it off and just keep on going. Desert passage. Trust in the divine plan. There are some of us, we are in the desert. We are like, what in the heck is going on? Where am I? What do I need to be doing right now? We're just kind of lost. We're feeling like, it's like that Uranus retrograde feeling of feeling stuck, of just not being able to go forward. And Uranus retrograde's answer to that is to trust in spirit. Trust in the flow of the universe and just keep putting one foot in front of the other and trust. And we will get to where we need to be. Please keep checking in with higher self. Higher self will give us guidance. Higher self will let us know what resources we have available to ascend that mountain. So, all right, so a good weekend ahead. It's kind of like a time out, just to take it down. We've been ideas, buzzing around, dealing with other people at work, maybe some tough situations within our relationship, but everything seems to settle Friday and Saturday, and we just get back to the basics, just to enjoy the simple things of life. And the cards don't say it, but it's a great time to be grateful. It's a great time to be grateful for that good home-cooked meal. It's a great time to be grateful for looking around and say, oh man, it does look a lot nicer since I cleaned it up. So make sure we're grateful too, because that will open up the energy channels of abundance. And that will be very helpful as well. We always want that channel open and flowing. So I won't see you tomorrow on Saturday. It's my day off, but come see me on Sunday for the weekly astrological forecast that comes out at 6 a.m. on Sunday. And then the daily astrology forecasts come out at 9 o'clock the night before. They're all really good because I like to just give you something to just keep in your head to remember for the day in case you run into that energy. You know how to deal with it a little bit better if you are aware of it ahead of time. So that's what those daily astrological forecasts are about. Don't forget about the Uranus retrograde video. Don't forget about the 15-minute Sun in Virgo guided meditation for anyone who would like assistance in that area. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me. And remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel: life is lived from the inside out. Happy weekend, and I will see you on Sunday. Namaste.